There was a girl, about 14 years old girl, and she was standing on the road in London. 14 ఏళ్ళ అమ్మాయి రోడ్డు మీద నుంచుంది. Police came and asked her, why are you standing here? She said, I'm standing for the bus. The police said, this is not the bus stop. She looked at the policeman and said, uncle, the bus will stop for me. Uncle, na kosam akkada bus aaguthu. The policeman became angry. How can the bus fellow stop at a place where he should not park? So he wanted to wait and see how it's going to happen. So he went a little further and was standing there. The bus came and exactly stopped at that place. Bus vachindi correct ga aagindi. Then he realized that this girl is having a problem with her legs. She was limping slowly towards bus. Bus దగ్గరికి నెమ్మదిగా కుంటుకుంటూ వెళ్తా ఉంది. But still this policeman was very angry. He wanted to ask that man, how could you stop the bus here? ఎందుకని బస్ ఇక్కడ ఆపావు అని అడుగుదామని వెళ్తా ఉన్నాడు. He ran toward the bus and said, hey, why did you stop here? He said, sorry sir, sorry, I'm so sorry. That's my daughter. That's why I stopped. అది నా కూతురు, అందుకే ఆగాను. Do you have the relation with the person there on the top? There's no need for you to worry. He's always there, ready to help you. Always there, ready to help you. Are we disconnected? Are we taking the whole load onto our head? Are we living the life as if we think it's my job? Are we craving for victory and trying every possible means? If that is the situation, learn from Joshua.